Hi, I'm Hillary Richardson, and I'll be teaching your U.S. History class this year. See, that's me. We'll be using online notes to free up class time to go more in-depth in our content. This way, instead of a 50-minute lecture in class, you'll be getting the basics in a 5-minute lecture online. Then we can discuss in class, work with the material, and make sure you really understand the time periods we cover. So if you ever have any questions about this, you just need to let me know. These are always going to be called 5-minute lectures. The idea here is to give you, the students, the basic key information for the unit in 5 minutes or less. Now, some are going to run over a little bit, and some might be a little bit shorter, but my goal is always going to be 5 minutes. You will usually have 5 of these to watch each week. They follow the order of the class in the study guide, so it's best to watch one each night, preferably before we use the information in the class. So now, what's your part? You control the notes. You can pause them as often as you need, rewind, listen more than once, whatever it is that you need to get the information. I suggest you use the study guide that I give you as you listen, and anytime you see or hear something that's on the study guide, pause the notes afterward and write down the information. You can also rewind and listen to it again if you think you missed something or you want to make sure that you got everything. Write down the information that you need. You don't need to write down everything I say. This is a good time to write down questions that you have for me so that you can bring those to class. If you listen to the notes and still have questions or don't understand something, write them down, bring them to class, because you're probably not the only one with questions on that. So it'll help everybody. So we will be doing the first set of notes, 1.1, in class. We'll do this so I can show you how to use the online notes and study guide to really help you learn the material. After that, you'll do them on your own outside of class time. What this really means is if you did one set of notes each night, Sunday through Thursday, you'd have about 20 minutes of homework each night. And that's assuming that it would take you the extra 15 minutes for pausing, processing the information, and writing things down. So 5 minutes of listening, but you have some other things in there. Now, if you don't have internet at home, don't freak out right now. I have computers available for you before and after school with an appointment, because I need to know you're coming, so I will be here. I also have first period, second period, and seventh periods available with appointments. Again, so I can tell you if I have a meeting or not. Lunchtime, again, you need an appointment. And during access time. Doesn't need an appointment, but does need a pass. The library also has computers. And lots of you guys now have access on your phones, which means anywhere you can get Wi-Fi, you can actually learn your history, which is awesome. So like I said before, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. I'm looking forward to a great year with you, and I will see you in class.